Hey everybody, I bought some glass vitrograph and some fun things, and I wanted to show you as I unbox this. So I found this retailer on Etsy, JL Designs Vitrograph or JL Glass Vitrograph. They, I'll put a link to their Facebook and to their Etsy in the comments. And found that they were local to me, like really just a few miles away here in the Dallas area. And so I placed an order and was able to pick it up rather than shipping, and got what I think is a very nicely packaged box anyway, even though it was local pickup. So I was just about to tear into this and thought, these videos are always fun, and maybe you'd like to see what I did. I don't have a vitrograph and a kiln, and so therefore I can't pull my own, although I would love to, and someday I aspire to do that. But in the meantime, I'm happy to support a small business who does. So JL Glass Designs, it's Linda and her daughter Tami. So anyway, I thought that there were some really cool things that they had, and I was eager to play with them and wanted to show it off a little bit. So here we go. Let's pull out some of this most interesting stuff first. They do these beautiful curls. Can you see that through the bubble wrap? Let me see if I can carefully unwrap one of these without breaking it. Look at that. This is all sealed up nice. This is pro, ladies. Nice job. So I am going to have so much fun. If you visit their Facebook page, there's actually a video of Tammy's husband doing a curl, or pulling a curl. It's just so cool to me. Check that out. This is glass, folks, so I'm being very careful not to break it. So I am going to have some fun incorporating this into my designs. So I bought red, and I bought a pack of multicolor. This is fun. It's like some spring green and orange, and it might be cobalt, some yellow. That's fun. I also got some aventurine green. I think that's, let's see here, light aventurine green. And I asked for, oh, this is nice. She gave me a little bit of red reactive. I said I hadn't played with red reactive before. You're not gonna be able to see it because it's basically clear, but that was sweet. Threw that in. I have not played with that. I got some French vanilla. So there's some bigger curls, some little curls, but how fun is that? So this is 1 ounce of curls. Again, I'll drop a link to their online store. Turquoise. Oh, I'm gonna have so much fun. I wanted to play with reactions, which is why she suggested getting red reactive. So I'm looking forward to playing with that. Okay, so here's some, just some little samples for me. I appreciate that. I always love when a retailer puts a little surprise in there. I always put a surprise in things that I ship to my customers. I think that that's nice. Okay, so these are, you know what, these are clear, and I ordered a couple of clear, but sorry, my hat just hit the camera. But let me show you in colored form. They have what they call macaroni. So this is French vanilla. They're macaroni, which I believe are really just these curls that have been cut up, but look how cool. So I'm gonna have fun playing with these shapes. So I ordered a bunch of clear because I had some ideas for that, but then also French vanilla, so that was great. They do a mixed green vitrograph pull. This is lily pad spring green and celadon green, spring transparent and opal. This one has medieval green instead of the lily pad. That's fun. So I'm going to use these. I need to do some more bluebonnet panels. If you missed my bluebonnet panels, check out the past videos. And I needed some green, and so there you go. I got those. And then I got just some nice bigger vitrograph pull. This is aventurine green that they had. And I think these are so cool. And I think I'm easy to impress because I don't do these. Check out that turquoise. Look at that. Big pieces. I mean, these are going to be so much fun to incorporate into platters and such. I just can't wait. This is aventurine blue. So there you go. I just wanted to show you what I received. Unboxing is always fun. Finding a new supplier is fun. And this is local, for me anyway, and small business. They ship everywhere. I'll drop the links if you're interested in checking them out. I can't wait to play with this. This is all Bullseye glass, all COE 90 Bullseye glass. I can't wait to play. So you are going to see this in some future projects, so stay tuned. If you want to see those projects, I encourage you to subscribe to the channel. Have a good one, everybody.